Okay, next. Compute the interest for an amount of 200,000 for a period of 8 years if it was made at 16% compounded continuously. Okay? So, pinapahanap lang ano yung interest nung 200,000. So, balikan lang natin. Di ba ang interest? Ibig sabihin nito hindi interest rate. Ang tinatanong niya is magkano kikita? No, ano yung magiging kita nung 200,000 if it is compounded continuously at 16%. So, di ba, ang interest is yung difference ng future worth sa present worth. Kumbaga, kung magkano na yung nilaki or itinubo ng pera mo minus yung original na pera, yun yung interest. Di ba? Now, how do we compute for this? So, di ba sabi compounded continuously eh. O di, ang formula natin is P e raised to IT or IN. Okay? And dito, meron naman, substitute lang natin, 200,000 times E raised to 0.16 times, sinabi niya naman 8 years, so times 8. So, mako-compute natin yan. And then, finally, mako-compute na natin yung I. Whatever the value of that, minus mo lang yung 200,000. Okay, and that gives us 519,327 or 328. Okay, so our answer is letters.